Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change mobile hotspot name in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to connection and sharing. And here select personal hotspot and click on hotspot settings. Here click on hotspot name and delete available hotspot name and write your own name. Okay, here available hotspot name was Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. So here I am going to change this name to my own name. So here I give my website name called www.facultyon.com. You can assign any name to your hotspot. Okay, yes, finally click on save and this will be the hotspot name for your phone. To check it, just to turn on personal hotspot and scan this hotspot with other device. So here I am bringing another device and I am going to turn on Wi-Fi here. Just long press on Wi-Fi and here hotspot name will be showing. See here www.facultyon.com is showing. So if you click on it and if you give the password, this will be connected. Okay, so in this way you can easily change mobile hotspot name in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. That is all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.